In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update graphics card drivers in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the search icon on your taskbar, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Once it opens, look for Display Adapters and expand it by clicking the arrow or simply double-clicking it. Now, identify your graphics card. This could be Intel UHD, NVIDIA GeForce, or AMD Radeon. If you see two graphics devices listed, just repeat the same steps for both to make sure everything is updated properly. But if you only see one, that's completely fine. Just proceed with the steps. Next, right-click on your graphics driver and select Update Driver. This will open the Update wizard. From here, choose Search automatically for drivers so Windows can scan both your computer and online sources for the latest version. Wait for the process to complete. If an update is found, click Install and let it run. During installation, your screen may flicker or go black briefly. That's completely normal, so don't turn off your computer. Once the installation is finished, close the window and restart your PC to fully apply the changes. Now, if Windows says the best drivers for your device are already installed, just click Close and continue with the next method. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update located on the lower left side. Click Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates. If you see any available display or graphics driver updates, check the box and click Download and Install. If there are no optional updates available, that's completely normal. Just move on to the next step. Next, open your web browser and go to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. From there, look for available driver updates for your specific GPU. If you see pending updates, go ahead and download them once everything is installed successfully. Restart your computer again to ensure the new drivers are fully active. And that's it. You've successfully updated your graphics card drivers in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.